So in this one, I'm bringing you some CT Sound Stratos 12D4’s, and I'm really looking forward to hearing how they sound. I'm looking for some speakers that are superior to the Rockford T1s. I already have the 1500 range watt speaker that I like to play. I already have that selected, which is the American basses. So I'm trying to find some subs in that 1200 watt range, in between the Rockfords and the American basses and also Def Bonces. I've been having a hard time. I've tried MVXs, I tried Scar Audios, and I also tried the Def Bonce Machetes, and they're all far inferior to the Rockford T1s. Even though that the Rockfords are at a lower power rating, they still sound the best, have the best sound quality, and overall, just an overall great sub. And I did not know that until I went and experienced these other subwoofers. I know now that all along I always had a great subwoofer. I still would tell you today the best sounding sub I've ever heard is JL Audio W7. Those are my, by far, best subs I've ever heard in my life. And I hate that I sold them back in the day. I wish I could reverse time. I would have never gotten rid of those. I guarantee if I had those, the JL Audios now, that they would tear this Jeep up, because they're just a superior sub. In JL Audio, they have the best team behind their subwoofers. They specialize in quality, sound quality, and deep low bass. I wish I can go get those back, and maybe one day I'll buy them over. And if I remember correctly, those 12, they were 750 watts, but they were so deep and sounded so good. At the time, I had a Mazda Protege, and they were just too much bass for that Protege. I couldn't take it. I couldn't stand it. Like I said, there's a point where you reach or past the bliss point where the music just doesn't sound good. But, you know, looking at now, you know, hindsight, I would have never sold those speakers. I probably would have had them to this day. But we're gonna unbox the CT Sound Stratos. We're gonna install them, and we're gonna see how they sound, and hopefully the video is not that long. All right, stick with me. All right, let's open up this bad boy. I got two of them here. I'm just gonna open up one and see how it looks, go over the specifications, and put them in the box and see how they sound, baby. That's right. Another subwoofer to review. I'm gonna go through all of them. I don't give a all right, let's open it. Double box. They care about their product. Double box. I just hope I don't have to send these back. All right. Double package. Here we go. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you. CT Sound sticker. We have the owner's manual, and then have another CT Sound sticker. I wish they didn't send them like this, because every time I try to use one of these, they never stick to anything. I like how the DS18 sent their stickers, and I was able to put that in my back area of the Jeep, so it's still there. Here's the owner's manual. Let's go over the TS parameters and the other specifications. Oh no, you have a QR code I have to go to find the specifications and TS parameters. Oh, that sucks. I like opening it up and just reading it off, you know what I'm saying? I guess we gotta look at the subwoofer for now. They packaged it really well. This looks like any other subwoofer. Honestly, this looks like a Scar Audio sub, but this looks a little bigger. Ooh, kind of like how that looks. I kind of like how that looks. Okay. All right. I do like how that looks. That is the cone, the foam surround, and also the dust cap, a big old CT sounds in the middle. Let's turn it this way. White basket, that is pretty. I like that. I still have to read off the specifications, but this is the magnet. From here it looks double stacked, yeah. Because if I look over at the American bases over there, they're triple, and they're a lot thicker. This is the back, silver plating or chrome. That is different. I haven't seen that on the subwoofer thus far. These have some good reviews on them. They look bigger than 12s from here. These speakers have some very good reviews. And so I'm down to get these in. The box I have for them is supposed to be very good for it. A perfect fit, if I may say. Speaker terminals on here look thick enough, look like you can get some 8 gauge in them. Let me bring this to the camera. Look like you can get some 8 gauge in there. It is double stitched tinsel leads, and everything else is pretty normal about a subwoofer, okay? Let's look at the specifications and read them out. The Strato subwoofer specifications pulled up here. Mounting parameters. Let's go ahead and look at the box specifications for SQ. I have the Strato 12. We're looking at a 1.5 cubic feet of space and 32 hertz. That's if you're looking for SQ. And for SPL, which is what I'm looking for, I have the Strato 12. I'm looking at 1.75, and the tuning frequency of the port needs to be 32 hertz. The box I have currently is that prefab Scardio box, and it's 3.7. So if you factor in displacement, the speakers are probably getting 1.8 per chamber, and it's tuned to 33 hertz. The TS parameter on these is, I only care about the SPL and the X-Max. All this other stuff I don't care or know what it means. The SPL on the speakers is 84.84, and the X-Max on this one is 15 mm, the same as the American bases. Now, if these rip, then okay, maybe it has something to do with the box. All right, I got this bad boy wired up and ohmed out. I'm coming at a 1.9, which is perfect. I want to get it, we'll make sure it's at 2 ohms, so it's 1 ohm by the time it reaches the amp. And I just have everything in parallel. But this in the box, screw it down, and also put the other one in, ohm it out, and wire it up to the amp, and we'll see how it sounds. Oh right. No, Houston, we ran into a problem. This one does not sit flush in the box. So I'm gonna have to make the box hole a little bit bigger. It does not fit flush in the box. So yeah, we can't have that happening. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that airtight. So yeah, I gotta go ahead and make that a little bit bigger and get it in there. All right, what a pain in the ass to try to get the cutout hole larger. I do have an airtight seal with this one, but not quite with this one. I'll go ahead and just finish that tomorrow. Right now, I just want to get the subwoofers moving and get that spider loosened a little bit as far as tonight. And then I'll just fix that cutout tomorrow to get an airtight seal. And yeah. I just came back from an hour-long hiatus playing these subs, and I'm gonna tell you right now, they passed the test. I cannot believe it. I found a speaker in that 1200 watt range. These are actually 1250 watts. I've played these speakers for an hour, and I'm telling you, the dust caps or the voice coils behind these is not even hot. The amp didn't even get hot. I don't even smell any weird burning smells. Lets me know that the other speakers where they were using cheap glue or cheaply made subs altogether. Now, NBE may give these speakers a lower grade than me, saying that they're inferior, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I've tried so many subwoofers at this point, and he has too. These sound good. I like them. Do I think they're superior to the Rockfords? I don't know yet. I have to tune them. I have to let these break in, right? Which I think is a myth. And see how they sound long term. And I'll make an update as well. I'm hoping I don't rip a foam surround. Like I said, the American bases are also 15 mm. As far as the X-Max. So let's see if these rip a foam surround. If so, then that means that maybe I need to buy more speakers with a larger X-Max as far as the Excursion. I haven't tuned the amp. I left it at where I had the Rockfords at, and I'm telling you, these speakers still sound good. I haven't changed the amp. I left the crossover at 65, and I also left the gain around 5 out of 11. Obviously these can take a little bit more power. I'm gonna let these break in for a little bit and continue to play them. I don't think I'm sending these back, and I do recommend them. These passed the test. Initially, these speakers sound good out the box. I don't have to wait 40 weeks for my speakers to sound good. Give these speakers a try, and I'll see you in the next one.